I just want to show you real quick a new product that I got from solarcolordust.com that I am going to use on a couple of tumblers today and test out. In your package, you get an advertisement for some of the Solar Color Dust products and what they do. And you get an ad for Glitter Hippo glitters. This company is located in Lake Wales, Florida. They do have a actual storefront in a mall down there. If you're lucky enough to be in the area, you should look it up. Every package they send out that I've ever gotten from them has a little sample baggie in it. Let's see if I can get it open. Probably not. But they always send a sample of, oh, I got it, a Glitter Hippo glitter and a little card for them. They used to send a little Glitter Hippo sticker, and I was kind of hoping for a sticker to add to my sticker wall in the new room, but no sticker this time. But the sample in here is a UV glitter coral to blue. It doesn't feel like there's a ton in this one, so what I'll be able to use it for, I don't know. But this one has 5 of the little glitter spoons in it too, and they're always handy to have. So, like I said, I've never gotten a package from them that didn't have some kind of sample. But this is the real product. Solar Color Dust Solar Drops. These are a liquid additive for your resin. I have heard some mixed things about these won't work in certain resins. I'm a little confused because the ones I'm hearing they don't work in are not UV protected resins. So I'm just going to give it a try. I'm going to use 2 different resins that I have here and see what works better. But they basically come out of the package looking pretty plain. I had these out once already, so they haven't turned back fully, but this one's blue, yellow, magenta, orange, and purple. So I'm going to take them and go outside in the snow real quick and hope there's enough UV light from the sun that's not out today to show you. Okay, I am outside with these, and you can see they're already changing. I brought them out once already, and it is windy and snowing, so I promptly dropped them in the snow, and the labels like completely wiped off and got gooey. So I'm going to have to like mark the bottles somehow. But you can see the color change already. The orange, the yellow, the blue, the magenta, and the purple. So I'm gonna go get some cups prepped in the snow, so that'll be fun, and then I will come back and show you how to work with these on a separate video. This was just to show you the product.